The third characteristic is openness. Openness is referring to the ability for the distributed system to interact with other open systems, irrespective of the underlying environment. In order for that to happen, our system or our application need to know the API used in the open system. Usually, API documentation is provided. How can we make an open distributed systems? First, we must publish the interface of our components. The interface is referring to the method or service signature, such as the name, the data to be passed, the format of the data to be passed, the expected result, or return value and its format. The published interface shall come with a comprehensive documentation. Secondly, we should standardize the interface of the components. For example, we are using common file format for Java component. Okay, for example, is .jar. Finally, integration should be easy. This should be as simple as downloading it from the hosted website and include it into the application project.